small or equal to 4 capital R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2, those things. You can also use delta by S and those things maybe. Okay. You can do by both methods and see which is relatively easier. So I'm not just strictly saying you have to do by the present formula. You can also go for the previous formula.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 26th question. Everybody got 1 by 2?
Yes, sir.
Anybody want to tell how to do it?
Yes, sir, got it. Sir,
Sir,
smaller equals to delta by S and capital equals to ABC by 4 delta.
Okay. Any other method anybody want to say?
Sir, R by R we can write as 4 sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2, and we can substitute A, B, C as 60, 60, 60.
Yeah. Anything else anybody want to say? Okay, both are good. You
Sir,
take an
R
equivalent
equal
and yes, Lokeshwar?
sir, R equals to delta S, no, sir.
Smaller equal to delta S. Delta by S is.
Delta by S and sorry, sir.
Yeah, somebody said small r is delta by s, capital R is ABC by 4 delta. You can do that way, where A equal to B equal to C and delta equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Another one is 4r sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Another one is, look at the figure. In equilateral triangle, this point is centroid also, orthocenter also, circumcenter also, incenter also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because it is in center, can I say this length is smaller?
Yes, sir.
And because this point is circumcenter, this is capital R.
Yes,
And
sir.
because this is centroid, this by this is 1 by 2.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, that's it from the figure. Got. Okay, nothing to write. It's so simple, right? This is the incircle. This is the circumcircle. That is the radius, and this is centroid. So it divides in the ratio 2:1. But anyway, for the sake of writing an IP, if at all, you can write the other things. Okay. So method 1, small r by capital R is 4 sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. 4 into sin 30, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So you'll get 1 by 2. Method 2, small r by capital R is delta by S and 4 delta by ABC. And substitute everything. That is 4 into delta square is root 3 by 4 A square. S is 3A by 2. And this will become A cube. Root 3 by 4 A square whole square. Okay, that also will give 1 by 2. And method 3 I explained just from the figure. Sorry, method 3 may not be visible, but I understood. Okay, 27. Anybody want to say anything? How to do it?
Sir, delta by S
Yeah.
into delta by S minus B equals to. Sir, if we
Yes,
substitute that, we will get tan B by 2, sir.
We'll get tan square B by 2. I think we've done this question yesterday. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Still, I gave this once again. Yeah, we've done tan square B by 2. Somebody said tan B by 2. Somebody said tan square B by 2 also. That's good. The reason I gave this is you can even, if you remember delta by S, you want to use it, okay. If you write 4r sin A by 2 and all also, I think same thing should come. All right. So 27 we've already done. Now, based on the present formulas, we can try to do it if you want. Even 28, if you feel delta by S minus B, those formulas are better, use it. If you feel present formulas are better, you can use it, whichever thing you want. Just try the questions. Okay, 27 earlier we done one method, so I'm calling this method 2. 4 capital R sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. R2 is 4 capital R cos A by 2, sin B by 2, and cos C by 2. R1 4 capital R sin A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2. And R3 4 capital R cos A by 2, cos B by 2, and sin C by 2. Okay, so 4R we can cancel. Sin A by 2 I can cancel. Sin B by 2 I cannot cancel. Sin C by 2 I can cancel. Cos A by 2 I can cancel. Sin B by 2 I cannot cancel. Cos C by 2 I can cancel. So here I am left with the sin square B by 2. There I am left with cos square B by 2. So we got same tan square B by 2 equal to 1. B by 2 is 45 degrees and B is 90 degrees. Okay. So we can use by delta bias minus A that way, or you can do this also on full count. Anything is okay. Anybody got the answer for 28?
Yes, sir.
By which method you done, Vijayalakshmi?
Sir, by substituting R2 as delta by S minus B, that formula.
That one. Okay. All right.
I got A square equal to B square plus C.
Okay. This 4 Kepler and all, that is not so suitable here.
I should try, sir.
Sir.
Still I not try.
Sir, R2 minus R1 is 4R cos square C by 2.
Are you sure 4R cos square C by 2? Why? Because you'll get 4 capital R cos C by 2 common. You'll get sin A minus B by 2, not A plus B by 2. Isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. R minus R1 is what you are saying. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm not sure whether if we can use, that means something will come, but whether it is useful or not, I'm not sure about it. Here I'll get cos C by 2 common, and here I'll get cos A by 2 common. So they can be cancelled here, cos C by 2 and cos A by 2 still.
Sir,
Okay, I
the
think,
result I'm getting, sir, is not useful.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, somebody tried with 4 Kepler and it nothing wrong. Okay, just at the end of all that, scratch the whole thing and understand it's not so useful. Okay, sometimes it's good so that you'll remember and you will never try that method again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So delta, okay, delta is only good. Okay, try with delta. I think you will get it, but I will also want to expand it and see it what will happen. R2, R3. That will become that side. Okay, if I expand, I'll get R1 square equal to R1 R2 plus. Okay, we'll do by delta. I'll do one more method also. Okay, 28 method 1, you just expand this, you will get R2 R3 minus R2 R1 minus R1 R3 plus R1 square equal to 2 R2 R3. If you send everything to that side, you will get R1 square equal to R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1. This one we proved in the beginning, it is S square. One of the formula for R1 is S tan A by 2, which we have not used so far that much. S tan A by 2 whole square. When you cancel S square, it will come tan square A by 2. Tan square A by 2 equal to 1. A by 2 is 45 degrees. So A equal to 90 degrees. Okay, that is one method. Another one is you can use the delta by S and all that. Method 2. Take this and write delta by S minus B minus delta by S minus A. Delta by S minus C minus delta by S minus A equal to 2 into delta by S minus B into S minus C. Okay. You have to simplify this. I'll simplify it after arranging this. Okay, 27 already completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if I take delta common, I'll get S minus A minus S minus B by S minus B into S minus A. So delta S minus A minus S minus C by S minus C into S minus A equal to 2 delta square by S minus B into S minus C. S minus B and S minus C got cancelled. Delta into delta square also will cancel. Here we are left with B minus A. Here C minus A. Here 2 into S minus A whole square. This can be written as S minus A as B plus C minus A by 2 whole square. That is by 2 will cancel, 1 2 comes here, so you'll get B plus C minus A whole square equal to 2 into B minus A into C minus A. I'll expand B square plus C square plus A square minus 2AB minus 2AC plus 2BC. Here plus 2BC minus 2AB minus 2AC plus 2A square. 2BC will cancel, minus 2AC will cancel, minus 2AB will cancel. 1 A square I can send that side. I will get B square plus C square equal to A square. Yeah, just have to carefully expand patiently. And you are getting a Pythagorean triad, so which implies angle A equal to pi. Okay, 28. Apart from that, somebody can do like this. This is a solved example in IP textbook. They have done like this only, the second method. But you can do either way. I think 29, if you use this 4r sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2, it will come easily only.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, how we got R1 square is S tan A by 2, sir?
That is also a formula we derived in the morning class. In the second figure of the triangle, where circle is outside.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Later on, we'll do few more questions where we'll use that R1 equal to S tan A by 2 and all. Okay, so 28 method 2 also can I erase?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, okay. (29) sigma R plus R1 tan B minus C by 2.
Yes, sir, you can erase now.
Okay. So this is 4R sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. This is 4 capital R sin A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2, tan B minus C by 2. If I take 4R sin A by 2 common, I will be left with sin B by 2, sin C by 2 here, cos B by 2, cos C by 2 here. Directly I will write it as cos B minus C by 2. And tan B minus C by 2 can be written as sin B minus C by 2 by cos B minus C by 2. Okay. Now sigma 4 capital R sin A by 2 I can write 90 minus B plus C by 2 into sin B minus C by 2. Sigma 4R sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So we'll get cos B by 2 plus C by 2 and sin B by 2 minus C by 2. And this 4R I can write 2R into 2. It is like 2 cos A plus B sin A minus B. Okay, it is actually cos A plus B sin A plus B plus sin minus sin A minus B. Sigma 2R into sin B minus sin C. Or if you do reverse, sin B minus sin C account of transformations to cos B plus C by 2 sin B minus C by 2. When you take 2R inside now, 2R sin B is small b, 2R sin C small c. Now we expand the sigma. We'll get B minus C plus C minus A plus A minus B. All will cancel, we'll get 0. Sometimes not this question, but some question somebody will do something. There's nothing wrong with the solution, but it is not useful because they were not getting the answer. One may say, everything is right, so here also I should get the answer. Yes, but it may be little lengthy. Okay. Sometimes it is like asking in a maze, you went in a wrong route. Okay. You may say, I traveled so nicely, but I did not reach the destination. Okay. Yeah, nothing wrong. From there also, there should be a route to your target. One of the route is come back to the original point and go by another route. Okay. So like that, sometimes if you use a different formula, it may not come, it may be very lengthy. It is not that it is wrong. From there, getting the target is going to be much more lengthy. So better to come back, just to scratch it and go to try another method. This 30th question is a very specific one. Okay. Don't ask me how to get ideas. Okay. With this question, I'll tell, and some other question if they give, at least you can think in the similar lines. There is a relation between these numbers. If you take double of this and add this, this will come. Okay. Let small r equal to 2k, capital R equal to 5k, and R1 equal to 12k. Because based on the ratio, I'm taking like that. Now, 12k can be written as 2 times 5k plus 2k. That is R1 is equal to 2 times capital R plus small. R1 minus small r is 2 capital R. Now R1 minus small r, just now we're done. No, we're not done. Okay, we'll do it now. Earlier we're done. R1 is 4 capital R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Yeah, 4R something. 4 capital R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 equal to 2R. If I take 4R sin A by 2 common, I will get cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos A plus B. So it will be 4R sin A by 2 common cos of B plus C by 2, which is 2R. This you write 90 minus A by 2 and cancel 4R. We'll get 2 sin A by 2 cos 90 minus A by 2 is equal to 1. That is also sin A by 2. So 2 sin square A by 2 equal to 1. Sin A by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. A by 2 is 45 degrees and the A is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Okay, so you have to get an idea that this ratio that they gave has to be converted like this. One may say if the small r1 is to capital R is to R is to capital R is to R1 is equal to 2 is to 5 is to 12. Why only this? There are other ways to express. Yes. For example, somebody can take this plus, somebody can take 3 times this or 4 times this minus something will give me this also. At least I can tell something very obvious. You take this plus 7 by 2 times this, that also will be this. Somebody can write capital R plus 7 by 2 times small r is also R1. But that is not going to give us the desired result. Otherwise, nothing wrong in that. Okay, so eliminating k and finding a relation, this is not the only way. There can be other ways. So in that way, 30th one is a very specific question.
Sir, so at that correct time, you should get the correct flick, sir. That in this relation only it will satisfy.
Yeah, somebody get an idea to make a question, and then obviously you would get that idea only to solve it. No, it is like reasoning questions, na? There is a specific logic you have to get an idea for that some pattern in the numbers. Because between these three, you can write hundreds of relations.
Yes, sir. That's it.
Yes. Okay, 31. You can use 4r sin A by 2 and those formulas here, and here you write 2r sin A, 2r sin B, and C. If you can take something common. Maybe sin A, sin B itself will come common. When you have to prove three things equal like this, it is not necessary that from here you should get this. You can prove this is equal to something, this is equal to something, and this is equal to something, and prove all three are equal. That way also it can be done. Actually, after getting the answer, there is one more method I want to tell. But right now I want to do in a way maybe a little bit lengthy. AB minus R1 R2. A I will write 2R sin A. B I will write, maybe I will write it later. R1 is 4 capital R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. R2 4 capital R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. AB minus, here one sin A by 2, here one cos A by 2, I can borrow one 2. 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, and 1 2R will be there. Similarly, here cos B by 2, here sin B by 2, and 1 2, which is 2 sin B by 2 cos B by 2 with a 2R. And then there is a cos square C by 2. This will become sin A into 2R, it will become A, or we'll leave it like this. This is 2R sin A. This is 2R sin B. This is 2R sin A, 2R sin B also. Into cos square C by 2. I can take 2R sin A sin B common basically. 4R square sin A sin B common. I'll get 1 minus cos square C by 2. which is sine square c by 2. 4 capital R square sine A. But better to write, it's okay to do it like this. So sine A, sine B, sine square c by 2. Now I have to take AB minus R1 R2 by R3 and see what happens. Okay. Okay, everybody completed 29. Any doubt about 29?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, if I take AB minus R1 R3, R1 R2 by R3, numerator is this 4R square. Sine A, I want to write 2 sine A by 2 cos A by 2. Sine B, I want to write 2 sine B by 2 cos B by 2 into sine square C by 2. R3 formula is 4 capital R sine cos A by 2 cos B by 2 and sine C by 2. Cos A by 2 will cancel, cos B by 2 will cancel, sine C by 2 and this square will cancel. 1 4R also will cancel. You will get 2R, no, total 16 is there, so 4R. 4R sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2, which is smaller. Okay, so you don't have to write every time. Now you can write similarly. BC minus R2 R3 by R1 is also smaller. CA minus R3 R1 by R2 is also smaller. So all are equal. Now they completed 30, 30?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, but in IB we should like prove every single one of these three, no, sir?
No, you can write similarly in IP also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I got the answer. So with that hint, it is easy for me. So I'm going to do another thing where I'll prove R1 R2 plus R3 is equal to AB. Don't ask me why I'm starting with this. I know this is equal to R I got, so I'll get R3 plus R1 R2. Let us see what happens. Simply use delta by S minus A, delta by S minus B, delta by S, delta by S minus C. Delta square, if you expand and cancel these two, I'll get S into S minus C. This is S minus CA into S minus B. When I expand, I'll get S square minus CS plus S square minus AS minus BS plus AB. 2S square minus S common A plus B plus C plus AB. 2S square minus S into 2S plus AB. These two got cancelled, it is AB. So I proved it is AB. Now I'll send R1, R2 to that side and divide with R3. So I'll get small r equal to AB minus R2, R3 by R1. Now we can say similarly. All right. So similarly, R2, R3 plus R1 is BC. So BC minus R2, R3 by R1 is R. And R3, R1 plus RR2 is equal to AC or CA. So CA minus R3 R1 by R2 is equal to small. So we proved all are equal. Okay, I think 32, you can use delta by S minus A, that way also it will come. Use 4 Kepler, that way also it will come. Both methods it will come. Both are easy one. Even 33 also like that. You can use delta by S minus A and all that way. Or you write 4 Kepler and all also will get. You can even try to do both methods for this and both methods for this, so that you will know which is lengthy or in the exam which is better for you or something. Okay, is everybody completed 31? Anybody needs more time?
Completed.
So second method, last two lines you leave, sir.
Okay. I can use delta formula or either way it can be done. R1 plus R2 into tan C by 2. This is delta by S minus A. This is delta by S minus B. And tan C by 2 If I don't want square root, it is s minus a into s minus b by delta. Okay, so when I take LCM and cancel, or if inside and cancel, I'll get s minus b plus s minus a by delta. Is it by delta? No, only s minus b plus s minus b. I can take this inside, we'll get this. Okay, 2s minus a plus b, which is c. You take R3 minus R cot c by 2. This is delta by s minus c minus delta by s. Cot c by 2 is s into s minus c by delta. When I multiply these two, I'll get s. This will get s minus c, which is c. Otherwise, if we take R1 plus R2 into tan c by 2, this is 4 capital R sin a by 2, cos b by 2, and cos c by 2. This is 4 capital R cos a by 2, sin b by 2, cos c by 2. Tan c by 2 is sin c by 2 by cos c by 2. This cos c by 2 can take common, cancel. For capital R common, sin a cos b by 2 plus cos a sin by 2 is sin of a plus b by 2 into sin c by 2. This is 4 R sin 90 minus c by 2 sin c by 2. This is cos c by 2. 2R into 2 cos c by 2 sin c by 2 is sin c. 2R sin c small c. That may be a little easier, but if you want to do like this also, just you can do it if you want. This is 4 capital R cos a by 2, cos b by 2, and sin c by 2. This is 4 capital R sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2, into cot c by 2 or cos c by 2 by sin c by 2. Here sin c by 2 we can cancel. For capital R common, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is cos a plus b. So I'll get cos a by 2 plus b by 2 into cos c by 2. This is 90 minus c by 2 again. Two R into 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2, 2R sin c, which is small c. Okay, I'll give some more questions based on this s tan a by 2 and something like that, s minus c cot b by 2, that kind of things. Not too many. You can do in different ways, you see which is comfortable to you. Or try one thing. If it doesn't work out. R1 cot a by 2 is delta. Okay, I'm not saying they're based on which specific formulas. We can use in STAN able in one or two formulas here, but one or two questions I left. We can do either way kind of thing. Okay, maybe I'll just for me 3 questions are left. That we can discuss in the next class, or I'll do. Okay, let us complete these 3 questions. Okay. And this also there 33. Okay, we'll complete 30 up to 36 and we'll stop. Yeah, we can say that. Because angle is 90 degrees already given in 35. Okay, 32, everybody completed both methods?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, 33. I can take it as R1, R2, R3 by R cube. And try to prove cot square A by 2, cot square B by 2, cot square C by 2. R1 is 4 capital R sine A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2. R2 is 4 capital R cos A by 2, sine B by 2, cos C by 2. This is 4 capital R cos A by 2, cos B by 2, and sine C by 2. This R cube will be 4 capital R cube sine cube A by 2 sine cube B by 2 sine cube C by 2. Now most of the things will cancel. 4R, 4R, 4R and 4R cube will cancel. 1 sine A by 2 will cancel, 1 sine B by 2 will cancel, 1 sine C by 2 will cancel. Numerator will be left with cos square A by 2 into cos square B by 2 into cos square C by 2. Denominator will be left with sine square A by 2, sine square B by 2 and sine square C by 2, which is cot square A by 2, cot square B by 2, cot square C by 2. You can even find LHS separately, RHS separately. I brought only R cube down. Somebody can bring this whole thing down and say everything will cancel and say equal to 1 also. This is using 4R and those formulas. Somebody can use delta by S minus A, that formulas also. If we take LHS, R1, R2, R3, it is delta by S minus A into delta by S minus B into delta by S minus C, which is delta cube by S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. If required, I can multiply the S and do something about it. Let us say RHS. R cube is delta by S whole cube. And cot square A by 2 is S into S minus C by S minus A into S minus B. Or I can use in terms of delta that way also. In terms of delta, it is S into S minus A by delta. Whole square will come. So S square into S minus A whole square into delta square. Or let me just write this much, we'll see. This is S into S minus B by S minus A into S minus C. S into S minus, directly everything cancel, we are getting it, both are same. S minus A into S minus B. This S cube will cancel with all the 3 S here. And one set of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C will cancel. We'll be left with delta cube by S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So very neatly LHS equal to RHS. One other formula for R1 will be S tan A by 2, right? So S tan A by 2, S tan B by 2, S tan C by 2. This also 3 R's are there. 1 R I have to write S minus A tan A by 2. Then I have to use R1 as S minus B cot C by 2. That also it will come. It's okay. You can do by like this or like this. Okay, I'm basically treating this chapter as because it's very dry, very dry. Just formulas are there and manipulating this way, that way. Okay, So some people may find it interesting because they're getting the answer. They feel a thrill that by that formula they know how to apply and they can feel happy. Some people may feel quite boring, what is this? Okay. It all depends on your perspective. Okay. But I cannot make it very interesting unless some proofs and all I can tell you by geometry. Okay, 34 also you can write simply delta by s minus a, and there is a formula for cot a by 2. You can do that, nothing wrong.
S into s minus a by delta.
Yeah. So one method is r1 cot a by 2 is this is delta by s, this is delta by s minus a, this is s into s minus a by delta. We got simply delta. Almost same. Somebody can write r as delta by s. Small r, r1 cot a by 2. Small r is delta by s. R1, one of the formula is s tan a by 2 into cot a by 2. Tan a by 2, cot a will cancel, ss will cancel, will get delta. This is also easy, nothing difficult. Okay. 35. I want to tell a method where, even in lower classes you might have done. Okay. This is a, why should I take right angle isosceles? Not required. Okay, take a right angle triangle as an incircle. Its center will be here. This perpendicular distance, both are r. Even this is also r from the incenter, right? Let us see something from the figure. This one has to be square, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because all angles are 90, adjacent sides are equal, it has to be square. So this is also smaller, this is also smaller. This length I will take as x, so this also x. This I will take it as y, this also y. By the way, this is a, this is b, this is c. Right? Okay, now let us see this. What is b plus c? What is b means y plus r. What is c means x plus r. That is y plus x plus 2r. But what is y plus x? BC, right? BC. And in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is double of the circumradius, right? So BC is 2r. So 2 capital R plus 2 small r, proved. Which is LHS. We started with RHS and we got LHS. And we can even do reverse also. If you want from LHS to RHS, reverse all these steps. We don't need any formulas especially for this method. Another method is,
That's how we use that circumcenter in the right angle triangle is midpoint of hypotenuse.
yeah, we use that. And hypotenuse is the diameter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, method 2. 2 capital R plus 2 small r, that is the question. 2 capital R can be written as a by sin a. If you don't want to do from the figure, at least according to sine rule, 2 capital R is a by sin a. And 2 small r, I am going to write small r as s minus a tan a by 2. That is one of the formula for small r. Small r has 3 formulas. S minus a tan a by 2, s minus b tan b by 2, s minus a tan c by 2. Okay, but angle is 90. So this will be a by sine 90 degrees. This will be 2 into s minus a into tan 45 degrees. Okay, this will become 90, it will become a itself. Or you can directly say hypotenuse. This is 1, which is I'll get 2s minus 2a, which is 2s minus a, and which is b plus c. Okay, 35. Method 1 is nice, but in school level only you can do that, nothing difficult. Method 2 is using the present formulas. Okay, I think 36 is so small, I can complete it here. Sigma R1 cot A by 2. That is a question. R1 sigma R1 cot A by 2. R1 is S minus A tan A by 2. No, S tan A.
Tan A by 2.
Yes, thank you. S tan A by 2 into cot A by 2. Cot A by 2, tan A by 2 will cancel, you'll get sigma S. Sigma S means S plus S plus S, which is 3S. If you don't remember S tan A by 2, no problem, write delta by S minus A here. And cot A by 2 is S into S minus A by delta, also you'll get S only. Yeah. I think using the delta by S minus A, most of the questions you can manage.
Yes,
Some
sir.
questions, of course. Few questions like we done, not this previous set, where we have to use 4R sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2, especially. I think today morning, what we have done mostly we have to use. Better to write method 2 here. This is method 1. Method 2. Sigma R1 is delta by S minus A. And cot A by 2 is S into S minus A by delta. Again it is sigma S, again it is 3S. Okay, sorry, I extended today.